Confess. Tell everybody what you just did.
I screamed really loudly and scared Lou.
So we're driving along on the way to our date in Ikea.
That's what I wanted for a date day, because I've never been to Ikea before.
And just driving along, and all of a sudden I hear, ah! And I absolutely crap my pants. I was thinking someone's about to jump in front of the car, somebody's going to hit us. I'm like looking around, everything looks normal. And then Mia, why did you scream?
Because it was so Ikea, I saw the yellow and blue of Ikea from a distance.
Why are you so excited to go to Ikea?
I've never been to Ikea. It's always been a dream to go to Ikea. That's such a weird thing to say. But I've never been to Ikea. Oh my god, I have to show you guys. Look how big it is. Baby! It is so big! So satisfying. Oh my god, there's such a big queue to go in.
For some people it's candlelit dinners, walks on the beach.
Which is still my thing.
For Mia, it's Ikea. Do you want to do something naughty? Do you want to bounce on the bed?
I can't.
Come on, you're doing so good. You're doing so good. Keep going.
L K J H no I Ikea, so I don't know what it actually looks like. So it is exciting. I feel okay. So last month I lost my Costco virginity. This month I'm losing my Ikea virginity. So it's all very exciting. It seems to be the month of stuff, new beginnings, new exciting.
Hashtag adulting.
I think now we're officially adults.
Married to go shopping for a chest of drawers.
And a bedside table. Oh, how are you feeling?
So grown up.
How are you feeling about our date?
Turn right, then turn right.
I'm looking forward to seeing what vegan foods they have, and not looking forward to shopping. I'm excited that you're excited.
Yeah, I'm excited. Oh, there's an M&S there as well, so you can have a look at M&S for your pajamas. This is actually married life. Getting excited about new pajamas and getting excited. Oh, look, my hair looks so light brown. Can you see? You're very into this thing. Oh, okay, wait, I have to... Oh wow, this is actually really cool.
This is where on YouTube you'll see that everyone drops off. Everyone stops watching.
This is really cool. So I love engineering. And I used to work in civil engineering recruitment. So I get really fascinated when I see buildings and structures and bridges that are built interestingly. I proper geek out about it and just want to know the mechanics of it. So this is really beautiful. It's such a weird thing to say. Like, oh, this is a really beautiful building and a really beautiful bridge. Well done to the engineers and the architects and the construction professional behind this Ikea in Manchester, Ashton-under-Lyne. Shout out! Oh, this is so cool. Oh, there's a side table there. It says, this might be the most boring vlog for most people, but I think this is more exciting than our wedding day. Look how sexy he looks when he's focused.
Sexy all the time.
Blue steel, steel blue. All the steels, blue steel. Oh, they've got... Okay. We'll catch up with you when we've parked and when we're inside. I do need to pee though before we go in.
So we're going to make some merchandise for our YouTube channel, and Mia's slogan is going to be, I need to pee.
Because I always need to pee.
We're gonna start with my favorite part, which is
Vegan.
checking out the vegan foods. We're on the hunt. I've heard amazing things. I've heard they have loads of options, so we'll give you our honest review of
Vegan. Vegan everything.
IKEA food. The thing I'm most looking forward to about IKEA is looking at all the vegan options. I've heard amazing things about it. So here we are in the legendary IKEA canteen, and we'll give you our honest review of what it's all about, how it tastes, and hopefully one day we'll get sponsored by IKEA and they'll pay us millions of dollars to go review all their stalls. We can hope. So you can see here they have vegan lettuce, vegan tomatoes and vegan cucumbers, vegan carrot sticks and vegan peppers. There's lots of desserts, but they're not looking very vegan to me, or it's not clearly labelled, so I am a little bit confused. I'm assuming that none of it is vegan so far. They have vegan fruit bowls and snack boxes. It says up here they have something called veggie balls. So they look like vegan meatballs. This is cool. We will keep you posted on what they have. I am a little underwhelmed at the options, but there are vegan meatballs, vegan balls, which is great, and salad. So that's what we're going to be going for. And there's a few different kinds of soups that they have that are vegan. So I'm going to get the veggie balls. I'm going to see how they are, and I'll let you know how they taste. Have to say, a little bit disappointed with the vegan range in IKEA. Thought there was going to be more, but we have salads and balls. Mia's doing this new diet thing. She's doing no dairy and gluten free. So we'll tell you more about that in another video. And so there was hardly anything she could have really. But let's see how it tastes. Veggie ball.
What else is there with the vegetables? What is it, the vegetables?
Got like peas and sweet corn inside.
And this?
Not bad. Not bad. And sweet potato hash.
What's that?
Not bad. How's the chips?
Chippy.
Chips and chippy. 5-star review. We ended up getting the veggie balls, vegan balls with sweet potato hash. I got a quinoa salad with some cucumber. Mia got a salad with some pasta, quinoa, and some chips. I'm spotted here, they have these organic kids food things, which is pretty cool. I like that.
What's the main snack?
I have no idea what's going on. It's like we're in a maze, we're in a kid's bedroom, we're in a bathroom, then we're back in a living room and a kid. I have no idea. This is IKEA life. I think this is Mia's idea of heaven. So how are we going to tackle this IKEA superstore, Mia?
I think for the first while I just want to have a look around because it's my first time and just mess about, and then actually get on with what we need to get.
Okay. Let's go.
And also like plan our future home. Yeah, thank you.
Trying to figure out the IKEA maze. Here we are in Granny's house and we found a game of spin the wheel.
I think Granny's a bit naughty.
Is it a naughty one?
No.
Give it a spin. Let's see what we have to do. Whatever it is you have to do, Mia.
Okay, baby, okay. Say the alphabet backwards.
Say the alphabet backwards.
Z, Y, X, V, W, V, U, T, S, R,
Big pressure.
Q, P, O, N, M, L.
She's found some rhythm now.
Okay, I can't.
Come on, you're doing so good. You're doing so good. Keep going.
L, K, J, H, no, I H F D E no E T C B A.
Nice, baby, nice. Okay, I'm
Your
gonna
turn.
I'm
Your
gonna give
turn
it a
to
spin.
spin
I'm gonna
the-
give it a spin.
Spin the wheel.
Just to show them what it is, so they know I'm not cheating.
Moonwalk across the room.
Think it, think it, think it, think it, think it, think it.
That is pretty.
Mia! Do you want to do something naughty? Do you want to bounce on the bed? Something's happened. What's happened, baby?
We're in the kitchen. I love me a good kitchen, I do.
Show us that dance again that you just did. Panda's right next to a lion. So you'll have seen our honeymoon fund that we keep putting the donation link below in the videos for. So Mia's big dream is to go and hold a panda. My big dream is to go and play with lions, and you can contribute using the link below if you want to help us do that, and we will record the whole vlog for you. You'll be able to see us on our travels all around the world. I'm taking a nap. I'm done. Come get me in an hour, babe. Just chilling here in my new bedroom. Very sexy vibes going on. Bedroom is where the magic happens, apparently. So I've heard. Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark. Mommy shark do 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 do. I'm just being weird. So many teddy bears. So many cute little polar bears. Oh, feel how soft he is.
Oh, he is really soft, isn't he?
Wow. Okay, I'm just gonna stay here and stroke this wolf for a while. So I found these sharks. I'm gonna go prank Mia. Do 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 do. My whole life, I felt like something was missing, and now I know what it is. A Fulanda. What on earth is a Fulanda? Now my life is complete. I'm a tiger.
Everyone knows what it is apart from you, Luke Scott.
What's it for?
It's for nursing a little baby.
What do you do with it?
You put it there when you sit down and a baby sits there and just sucks.
So you basically wear a massive rubber ring. Sexy. Sehr gut. I like the Swedish shopping center. It feels so nice. I like to touch things and rub them on my face. Where are you going, baby? Come back.
Away from you.
You might have seen mine and Mia's video all about love languages. Both are higher love languages, physical touch, so we just love stroking things. So whenever we go shopping, we're just always stroking things. We're like, oh, feel this. Oh, come feel this.
No, don't feel that.
We're going to the gym straight after this, so I'm just using this opportunity to warm up a little bit. A little dance around the store. Loosen up. Do our warm up so we're ready to go when we get there. And Mia's just running away as fast as she can. Baby, I love you, come back. Please don't leave me. What's your favorite thing about me? What's your 5 things you love the most about me?
Nothing. 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 Nothing.
Can you hear this? When a man loves a woman.
Oh, you're annoying. Okay, stop, Luke. You're annoying me. Oh, dying.
I love you.
I love you too, but why must you annoy me so much?
Are you embarrassed of me?
Yes, I'm very embarrassed of you, Kate.
When a man...
Sorry. Okay, thank you. That was beautiful, thank you.
I'm pretty sure there's never been a tour of IKEA quite like this. I've put my tripod in my trolley and pushing you around. I'm going to show you IKEA from the bird's eye view of my trolley. Some of them say number 1, some of them say number 2. This is 26 kilograms, this is 22 kilograms, so we're going to be getting our gym workout in. I think we have to get one of each. That's my best guess. That's what we're going to go with. I'm going to take a number 1 and a number 2, and then we'll show you how we put this up as well, maybe when we get home. I just wanted to annoy you and make you come back. Baby! Come here.
Well, I just want to have a look at the stuff there.
Why do you keep coming back?
You're annoying.
Baby! I love you. We did it. We have a new chest of drawers for our bedroom. All very exciting. I think it doesn't really excite me, but it excites Mia. I'm not too bothered about like things being tidy. She likes, it's very important for her that the space is nice and clean for her to be able to relax. So yeah, that's why we came shopping, so Mia can relax more, feel more at ease. But yeah, I'm very, very chill about tidying up stuff. Much to the dismay of my family growing up. My mom. And now my wife, who basically ends up cleaning after me a lot. We have just survived a trip to IKEA. Mia's dream that she has been dreaming of since she was a little girl.
Have I?
Since she first saw that blue and yellow sign.
Right? Okay.
How are you feeling, Mia?
Exhausted.
What happened?
I feel really tired. It took a lot more energy than I thought it was going to be. Not that I mind walking, but it just like... Yeah, I'm not the biggest shopping fan in the world. For some reason I thought that IKEA would be different, but it wasn't. It was good for the first... I like the showroom part. I like the showroom part where you get to like all the different rooms in the houses and like different offices and different bedrooms and kitchens. That was the best part. After that I didn't enjoy it.
And now you get to spend 2 hours putting up the drawers that we bought. No?
We. Not just me.
I had a great time. I was a shark for a while.
Yeah, he was a lion.
I was a lion for a while.
Panda.
I saw some pandas.
Yeah.
I got excited about lions and pandas. I wound Mia up.
He did. Maybe that's why I'm a little bit more tired than he is. Because I did the hard work.
I was just in my big kid mode.
And I was in mummy mode, like mission focused.
I was disappointed with the range of vegan food.
Yeah.
Whoever sold me that dream, like, shame on you.
It wasn't very good, was it?
It was awful.
Yeah. They had like these vegetarian hot dogs for 50p.
Yeah, vegetarian hot dogs for
Which
50p,
seemed a
but
bit question-
they weren't suitable for vegans. But 50p hot dogs, questionable anyway. I wouldn't eat it. It's just got bread in it. It's like must be really cheap, horrible bread. Yeah. So food is a no. Kids section is a yes. Showrooms is a yes.
I'd like to, like when we buy our first home, I'd like to obviously come and have a go, but to be fair, there's better quality furniture out there than Ikea.
Why are you saying mean things about Ikea?
No, I'm just
They're
saying.
supposed to pay us like thousands of pounds for this review. Millions.
Even if they were, I'd be honest.
Hashtag ad.
Sponsored. You wish.
Alright, we're gonna love you and leave you. We're going to the gym.
No, we're going home first to drop the car.
Going home first, then we're going to the gym. We're gonna make a video all about our health journey because
And then we're getting yeah.
serious about this.
And then what are we gonna do after the gym?
Relax.
Build our furniture.
Not today.
No?
No way.
Why?
It takes effort. It's like 2 hours. It's like 2 hours of building that bad boy.
Really? I thought we could do after the gym together.
No way.
Oh.
You can. I'll
No.
watch. I'll
No.
film. Let me know if you'd like to see a vlog of Mia trying to put up a flat
No.
pack
No.
bedside chest of drawers.
No. No. Okay, come on, let's go home.
All right.
Let's go.
We're gonna
Bye.
go home. Bye. So we've been really thinking about how we should end our videos.
Yeah, we've spent a lot of time thinking about it and, brainstorming and masterminding.